Hello guys, in this video I will be showing you how I'm able to achieve this neckline. I have my yoke already cut out while cutting the patterns. This is a yoke. We call it a yoke. Yeah, it's just the upper part of any outfit with a dress. And then I've gone ahead to cut that plain fabric. I did cut it on a fold, like making the center to be on a fold, not being cut out. And then I added my sewing allowances, and the reason for this is just to be able to get the actual look of the yoke how I want it to be. Yeah, and with this particular method or way technique, it will help you to get the actual, as in to make the yoke to be where it's meant to be, having it at the exact place, the right measurement, and then yeah, for it to fit into the body. So I've gone ahead to place my lace fabric as in the edges of the lace. That's the way we want it to be in the style. So to place it on the plain, which is I think I did use a doll face satin there, so I just place it on it. I don't really need it, it's just for me to actually get the exact size and the pattern what I've cut out from my yoke. So after which later I'm going to be trimming it out, like off, so it won't be part of the yoke. So I've gone ahead to pin it down. You see the way I'm doing it, just pin it down on the neckline, and then I will also do the other parts. Doing it this way, I'm able to get the view of what I want. So I did turn to the other side in order to trim off the excess on that part, and to be able to see what other thing I need to do. And then yeah, I've gone ahead to trim out the excess. You know, on the plain fabric I already added my sewing allowance. Yeah, that was what I did, that appeared first on the video, where I was holding the pattern paper. So I placed the pattern paper on the plain fabrics, then added 0.5 inch all the way around for the sewing allowances. Yeah, so here I'm trying to trim off the excess. This is not needed. Yeah, after securing it down with pins rather. So it's important to secure your lace down with a pin. That way, that's the way I did the first part. So onto the other side of it. Yeah, so I'm going to be bringing another the edge of the lace, yeah, right to that part. Then I'll be able to view it. Is it okay that way, or what do I need to do? So I'm trying to say, yeah, we want a gap in the middle, but then the edge of the laces, the shape is somehow, it's just too wide and not equal, like even. But then I was able to arrange it and achieve what we need actually, and that is me securing it down with pins. It's a very important to always pin down your fashion fabric on maybe the base. Yeah, the plain material, I would say that is the base of it, which is very important actually. Without that base, I'm very sure it's going to be hard to actually get a perfect yoke with this kind of a neckline and a design. So you need a base, which is the plain fabric, then your fashion fabric, which is the lace on that part. So that's the way I said, okay, after looking at it, I think, okay, that is okay for what I want. And then I'll just go ahead, flip it onto the other side, and then trim off the excess. Okay, now flip it to the other side so that you can trim out the excess. Yeah, so that is what I've done in the video. It's so simple, but remember, you need a base to be able to achieve this. You can use a plain fabric like I did, or you can use paper as well. you can just cut it on the pattern paper. That's to will work. Yeah, so I've gone that. So I'll just stitch that part, the edge of the lace is rounded in order to just lay nicely. I'm going to stitch it on that part, although I'll be trimming out the excesses. I don't want that the lace to show, the plain material to show underneath it. I'll just go ahead and stitch on those parts that I pointed to. After stitching on them, I'll trim out the okay. Here I'm on the sewing machine trying to stitch to to do the stitches on those parts that I pointed to initially. Yeah, and then that is what I've done there. I only stitch together the parts that will overlap on each other, and then here is my base, the buster that I already drafted. Yeah, so this is me holding it. Then I'll just go ahead, locate the center, the middle, yeah, ensure it aligns, then pin it down, hold it together with a pin. Then I'll go ahead and just sew from one end to the other. So I'll just go ahead and sew on that part, going from one end to the other. So that's just the way to go about doing it. And then it came out looking nice, and our client actually loved our dress. Yeah, we love the results actually. So that's just the way to go about achieving that neckline. So thank you guys for watching. So in my next video I will be showing you the final look of the dress. Thanks. Please kindly like, comment and share us out, please. Thank you. See you in our next video. Yeah, bye.